if I put the chart now, this is how weak, if you will, the yen is. I mean, the pound, as you can see, as we have agreed, is pretty much in a sideways move. It's not going anywhere in a hurry. But this here, the 131.99, this is our structural point here, which is the 131.99. And what we did, as you can see on those days, we closed right above it, which is a good sign. This is a sign of strength, that, I mean, sign of strength of the pound yen pair. So it is more a sign of weakness in the yen. And even though we had this big tail to the upside, which is kind of alarming, I mean, I don't like these tails between you and I, it's not, but we have not capitulated. We were able to close decently, or at least above the structural point. So we are going to leave our selling point, which is the 131.99, which is right there. And as you can see how solid this point is. I mean, when you pick a point, a significant point from something that happened, a structural point, the 131.99, this thing happened years back. I mean, where is the 131.99? There is your 131.99. This thing happened in March the 1st, 2010. That was a significant point, or a structural point, that we have identified in March 2010. Now, move forward. Today we are December or November 30th, 2012. And look at the price action. Look at what the price action is doing. It's holding this market in the same way as it held it in 2010. That is a very positive sign that the 131.99 is a point that has been identified by the market, and the market is telling us that it is respecting it, and people are still utilizing this number to buy, or to buy the pound yen. So that is a good sign. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave the pound yen, our selling point on the pound yen, as the 131.99. We're going to leave that as our selling point, our structural short point, and our stop. And with regards to buying it, where are we going to buy it? We're going to look at our intraday, and this is 130.08, 132.08. So this is what the 3-day high. Which is right there. There's your 3-day high. So, and I still have the 20 level. So we can buy it above the 132.20. At least we make sure that it covers the 20 level. So we're going to buy it above 132.20, which is actually, wow, it's from last week. This was the plan from last week. We'll buy it above 132.20, and our stop, we will use the 131.99 as our long and short stop, one and the same. And the next structural long point is the 133.27. So for the pound yen, we are going to buy it above the 132.20. If I do, I have a structural long point at 133.27, and we're going to use the structural point of 131.99 as our stop. On the short side, we're going to go short below the 131.99, which is going to be our structural short point and our short stop. Okay, that is the pound yen. Let me save that.